Zimbabwe's Minister of Defense Opamchinguri Kashiri has expressed growing concern over the worsening security situation in neighboring Mozambique, warning that the crisis poses a direct threat to both Zimbabwe's national interest and regional security. Sanapana mashuka mudata panapa na Opamchinguri wanachora kuti Mchinguri anenge ava kukwata influence yavakanoita kuMozambique. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell. Tipina panapa speaking at the graduation ceremony of the junior staff course number 81 at the Zimbabwe Staff College in Harare on Friday, November 15. Mchinguri Kashiri highlighted the instability in Mozambique as a significant challenge, particularly following the recent election in the country. She noted that the turmoil has the potential to undermine Zimbabwe's economic development and broader regional stability. The minister emphasized that Mozambique's security situation is critical for Zimbabwe, given the country's dependence on the neighbor as a vital gateway to the sea. She explained Mozambique is a crucial gateway for Zimbabwe to access the sea. Therefore, the security of the region is a vital concern of our country's economic and strategic interest. Mchinguri's remarks come at a time when the political situation in Mozambique is increasingly unstable. Allegations of widespread electoral fraud in the country since October 9 general elections have sparked a wave of protest against the ruling Frelimo party, which has been in power since Mozambique's independence. Chaos iri kuMozambique inogona kuaffecta Zimbabwe at large, but panapa zvisinei panapa vanhu vanouya vachikomplaina vachiti how come munouya muchiona kuti crisis yavo aiwa inogona kuaffecta nyika yeZimbabwe, but imimi mutori vanhu vakatokonzeresa kuti chaos yacho itike, maelections acho ave flawed, ndimatokonzeresa kuti maZimbabweans anovhota ikoko. Tose mafunguro enyu mutode pamusoro pechiitiko ichi nakume section menu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.